what's up? The resource I'm about to show you right now was used to make that intro video that was about 5 seconds long, and I made that in less than 30 seconds. As well as the thumbnail that you see when clicking on this video, that was also made in the free resource that still works in 2020 that I'm about to show you guys right now. Let's hop into it. Hey guys, so today I want to go over how to make graphics for your social media for streamers for free. There's a lot of resources out there, but a lot of them you have to pay for. They're pretty cheap, but a lot of new streamers, they don't have the money to spend on graphics, but they also want to get it done quickly. So we're going to go to a website called Canva, and I actually am going to make the thumbnail for this video while making the video. So you come to Canva, it's free. I just signed in with my Google account. There is a paid version. I think some of the graphics you do have to pay for, but it's only like $1. It's really cheap. But as a streamer, you're going to have to spend money on something to help yourself grow. So what we're going to do is the thumbnail. So all you do is type in YouTube, and it's going to come up with all the different things. And then it has different templates. It has the sizes of the art. See, they even have thumbnails for tutorials. So we're going to use the tutorial of the YouTube thumbnail because that's what this is. And then you just go and find a theme that you really like. Let's see. These are all probably free themes. Let's go with... this one seems like a good one. Let's see here. Get that Discord out of the way. So here's the free theme. Then you just pretty much just click the text and you can change it. So the name of the video is going to be how to make social media graphics free. Okay, we're going to do like a white. We're going to make it white so it's easier to see. Come and click the A to change the color. You can do that. Let's see. Let's see if you can add a shadow effect. Hell yeah, you can. Then you can change the color right here. All sorts of stuff you can do. Remember, it's free, so you're not going to be able to do everything Photoshop's going to be able to do, but you can do a lot. So that's a lot easier to see. Then we're going to take a nice little picture on our phone. Just a crazy little photo to put on the social media. The thumbnail. This is also going to show you guys another resource, which is really cool. So that's going to be your photo. It's going to upload to my Google Photos so we can get it on the computer. And we're going to go to an awesome resource called remove.bg. All you do for this resource, all this does is uses AI to remove the background of a photo. So you're going to download the photo, already uploaded to the cloud. I'm going to copy it, paste it over to remove background, and in a few seconds, it removes the whole background very nicely. You just hit download. You can pay for a high-res version, but the low-res is good enough. And then we should be able to come in here and drag the photo in here. Background's removed. Perfect. And let's see what you can add. You can adjust the effects. Oh, they also have a background remover on here, but this one's free, the remove.bg. You can add different effects. Oh, that's cool. You want to do something that sticks out. Something that catches the attention of people scrolling down the screen on your YouTube video. Let's see. Oh, pixelate. We're going to do pixelate because this has to do with gaming. Where is it? But then it looks like I'm nude. These are crazy. Oh, so you can change it. There you go. How do we... then we can change this. Make it even more pixelated, make it less pixelated. There you go. how to make social media graphics. So in a few, that took less than 5 minutes, and we already got a thumbnail made for the video. Then just download. So you have to pay for this, but there are definitely free templates you can use, I believe. Oh well, we're gonna pay for it. It's $1. Come on now, it's $1 to take off the watermark. If you have Pro, it's $10 a month. Easy. PayPal, sure. So in less than 5 minutes, we paid $1 and we got a nice thumbnail. It's that easy, guys. So you pay. Done. Design, downloaded. And we got this nice thumbnail. No watermark for the video. How to make social media graphics free. Done. Less than 5 minutes. And you can do this. There's templates for every social media. So let's design a Facebook cover or a YouTube cover. Do they have Twitch? I'm pretty sure they have Twitch. They have Twitch banner. So since we're streamers and that's what this is focused on, we're going to come here. We want to make a Twitch banner. So we're going to find a banner we like. That's just a template. Let's see. Let's go with, let's say you like to do Legos on stream. So you're going to come over here. Lego Mania. Type whatever you want. This is going to be your offline page. So I just come over here to change Lego Mania to Fat Thor. GG is offline, coming back shortly. And you can change these. You can remove. All you do is click it, delete it, delete. So simple. Now we got this nice thumbnail. And you can download it for free. See, some of these are free to download. It's awesome. They have so many nice free templates. I made that in less than 30 seconds for free! Alrighty, you can even animate and add stuff. Then you can get videos for like, do you want an intro to your YouTube video? Let's find one. Search videos, gaming. Gamer, sure. See, if they say pro next to them, then you have to pay. So let's try to find one for free. Free. Oh, you can even add the video to the offline page. Look at that. That's awesome. That's even better, dude. Hell yeah. And once again, it's free. MP4 video, download free. Let's go do we're gonna make a video, YouTube entrance ad. Video. What am I talking about? So you come YouTube video, we're gonna find a template we want, or we're just gonna do a blank actually, and then we're gonna come over to here, go to videos, look up a video, we're gonna use that one that we saw. Gaming. Fortnite, of course, is a Fortnite. Here it is. Add the video. Size it to the full size of the screen. Bam. Got this nice video. Click play so we can see the whole thing. Is there music on this one? Don't know. It's not showing any. But you can add your own. Cut it down. It's 47 seconds. That's way too long for an intro. So you're going to take it down to like 5 seconds. So you just click the video. Scissors. You drag it to where you want it to start. There you go. 5 seconds of this. Come over to text. Add a heading. Bam. Make social media graphics like this one for free in 2020. Bam, this whole video is going to be made just using these graphics and this recording. That's it. Just like this. Just click and drag it. Bam. Make social media graphics like this one for free in 2020 using Canva. Canva is an amazing resource. Photoshop costs money. Adobe Premiere costs money. You can come on here and make graphics for free or as low as $1, or you can get the pro version. You can even try it for 30 days. But monthly, it's $12.95 or only $10 a month if you pay for the full year. You can use credit card, PayPal. I'm going to put my referral link down below, so if you guys want to show some support and a little thank you, you can just sign up with my link, and then I don't know what I get. But it doesn't matter. I'm here to help you guys. I don't care what I get out of it. So that's how you make a video. All you can do is download MP4. It's going to prep the design. It's going to be done in a few seconds, really fast. And then we already have video intro. Bam, play the video. We'll add some music ourselves with other programs, but this is what you're going to get for free. Can't complain, it's free. So guys, that is how you make social media graphics for free using Canva. But as I said, you can do, there's so many things. You can make Instagram posts, animated social media, Facebook covers, Facebook posts, everything. Everything you need, it resizes it for you, does it really nicely. You can do posters, presentations, tons of stuff, all for free. So guys, check out Canva, and I hope this video helped you out a lot. I know it helps me out a lot. I've used it quite a few times. My friend just reminded me about it because I've been using Photoshop. But guys, this is a nice free resource you can use, or very cheap. And I hope this guys helped you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!